Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and this video hadn't been out but just a few minutes that I made where I'd redraw this, and somebody commented, well, that image is so perfect that it would trace and be a lot easier. That's yes and no, and we're going to kind of prove that point. I'm going to take this item and go to a bitmap, resample. I've already made it 300 dots print. Go to bitmap, convert it to a bitmap, black and white. And then we're going to go to trace bitmap, and yours might always be under bitmap, outline, trace, clip art. It's going to ask us to reduce the bitmap, and that's fine. And then it's processing, it's almost there, it's done. And there's your new image. Now, it looks really good, but it's not perfect. If you look at it really close, and I had to look at it really close, this has a rounded corner as well as this. The logo itself has sharp corners, kind of hard to tell, and the one I drew has sharp corners. And just in case you were a plasma cutter, this one we traced has 91 nodes. There's nodes on top of nodes. The one I did only has 18 nodes. 12 nodes on the one I did earlier. 12 nodes versus 91. Almost 9 times more nodes. So, and it just is not as perfect. There are so many nodes that if you probably look really hard, you could see some deviation in the line, and I can see it there. You know, that's not a curvature of a line. So it's because you've got so many nodes, you can kind of see a little hump right there. So now that would work for most people, but if it's a perfect logo and you're doing it quite large, I mean, this is 15 inches. That little bit of difference might show up. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.